Greetings from Disney World, Old Key West, Building 38. We're going to do a room tour of Deluxe Studio Room 3826. This is at the end of Turtle Pond Road. It is a second floor Deluxe Studio, and it's stairs to get here, not an elevator. Again, we're in room 3826, and let's enter. Old Key West has bigger rooms than any other of the Deluxe Studios. And this one, unlike the other Deluxe Studios and other resorts, has two queen-size beds. No pull-out couch and no couch, but two queen-size beds. And these have been nicely redone. This was the original Disney Vacation Club resort. I think it opened in 1990 or 91, somewhere around there. But they've redone them nicely. They still remain there, keep their large size. Got a small TV, unlike some of the resorts that have gone to a bigger television. And I'm not seeing any USB direct plug-in, so you'll need to bring your USB adapter to get power for your devices. For storage, there is this chest of drawers, which has four pretty good sized drawers. And here on this nightstand, both beds share this one nightstand. There is some more storage here. These are pretty deep. Not the hugest drawers in the world, but they are pretty deep. And also I noticed that there is a lot of room under the beds to slide your luggage. So your luggage won't be out on the floor unless you want it out on the floor. It's always nice to have a ceiling fan to keep the air moving around the room. And there's one here. Got a few nice Welcome Home Disney Vacation Club member letters on the bed here waiting for us. And one with some Disney art. Here's a table and two chairs with lots of power outlets. This door goes to a lock-off to a one-bedroom. And let's go check out the restroom. Before we get to the restroom, there is a kitchenette with a small refrigerator and nicely lit glasses and cups, a stainless steel sink, got a coffee maker and a toaster. Down here is lots of paper towels and a waste paper basket. And you've got soap and a scouring pad. There's a can opener. Let's see what's on the opposite side. On the back side, there's a vacuum cleaner and some extra bedding. I think that may be a bed for a child. There's an ironing board. Up here is the extra bedding. And there is a safe with a key, $35 fee if you lose that key. Going here into the restroom, if you close this door, you could have one of your family members getting ready in the bathroom, taking a shower or taking care of other business, and someone else can be getting ready out here using this full-length mirror. And inside the bathroom is really pretty. Here on this artwork in the restroom, Heather has discovered a hidden Mickey. Let me see if I can show it to you. This countertop here in the bathroom is actually much nicer than the one in the kitchenette. Much, much nicer. Notably nicer. A nice big mirror, lots of towels and things, some extra toilet paper. There is some facial soap and some body lotion, but in here you'll see that they do not have the rest of the Disney personal hygiene products. They are in pump bottles that I think a lot of the resorts are going to go to. Here's another look at the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, somewhat permanently mounted in the shower. Pretty good size shower tub combo, and look at this crazy shower head. That thing is huge. I've got big hands, and it's almost as big as my hand. It's a really big shower head, and of course you've got the pull across bathing suit hanger system here. lots of extra places to hang towels and bathing suits and whatnot. There's another place to hang clothing on the back of the door. Some pretty cool artwork. I like this one. The girls pointed this out to me. This is how far these things are from Key West, the actual part of Florida, Key West, not the old Key West resort. For example, Magic Kingdom's 266 miles and some other famous places and their distances from Key West. Over here's some artwork. Looks like Minnie is soaking up some sun at the beach. And over here are some floats used for fishing or crabbing or lobstering, some sort of fishing floats. And now we will check out the small balcony. It's right over here. It looks like it's a rainy day, as you can see at the beginning of the video, and looks like the girls have drawn a smiley face on the door. Okay, so here we are out on the balcony. It's really small, but square in shape instead of rectangular. There's a couple of the metal chairs and a metal table like you'll find at lots of the resorts. There were chairs very similar to that when we stayed last year at Saratoga Springs. They have shells on them instead of horses. And the view here, this is kind of near the edge of the old Key West property. It's just kind of a lot of bamboo is what we're seeing. And lots and lots of air conditioners. Every air conditioner for building 38 is right off of our balcony. And you can see lots of the other balconies have a very similar view. Now, I've stayed in other rooms here at Old Key West Resort that have had golf course views, and some of them have a water view of a waterway that goes near here. But this particular view is just bamboo and air conditioners. But still, it's a comfortable porch. There's outlets out here and nice full-length glass doors. So that is Disney's Old Key West Resort, Deluxe Studio Room 3826. Thanks for watching and have a magical day. Casey, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Heather.